If I just open Photos app on this iPad and play any video, you will notice that once the video ends, the video will play again on loop. And that's because I have enabled video on loop feature on this iPad. So how do you enable video on loop feature and stop playing videos on loop on any iPad? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how you can loop videos on iPad. In order to loop a video on iPad, what you have to do is you have to just go to settings, and when you are in settings, scroll all the way down and there you will find apps. Tap on that and then you have to scroll to P section where you will find photos. Once you find that, tap on photos and now you are in photos settings of your iPad. Here if you scroll a bit, you will notice there is the option for looping videos, which is currently toggled on. So if this is toggled off on your iPad, you have to ensure that you have toggled it on. And when you toggle it on, the video will play on loop even after the video ends. So video will keep playing. But if you want to stop playing iPad videos on loop, what you have to do is you have to disable the option for looping videos. And once you have toggled it off, when you will go to Photos app again and play any video, you will notice that the video will end after the video ends. So video will stop playing on loop. So that's how you can loop iPad videos and stop playing videos on loop on any iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to turn off safe search mode on iPad, make sure to tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.